If you buy more oranges at the market, you pay more money. But if more people share one pizza, each person gets less. This is variation. Direct variation means two quantities increase together. Inverse variation means when one increases, the other decreases. Let's master both. In direct variation, y equals k times x. The letter k is the constant of variation. The graph is always a straight line through the origin. In inverse variation, y equals k divided by x. As x gets bigger, y gets smaller. The graph is a curve called a hyperbola that never touches the axes. Let's solve this step by step. Y varies directly as x means y equals kx. First we find k using the values given. Substitute, 12 equals k times 3, so k equals 4. Now with x equals 7, y equals 4 times 7, then which is 28. Now inverse variation. Y varies inversely as x means y equals k over x. Let's find k first, then solve. Substitute, 10 equals k over 2, so k equals 20. Now with x equals 5, y equals 20 over 5, which is 4. Notice y decreased as x increased. Common mistake. Students write y equals kx plus c. No! In direct variation, the line passes through the origin. There is no plus c. Remember, variation has no constant term added. Memory aid. Direct means direct line through zero. Inverse means in the denominator. For any variation problem, step 1 is always find k first. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes and past questions. See you next time.